In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your team with groups in Zendesk. When managing a busy customer service operation, it's essential to keep your team organized and working efficiently. One effective method to achieve this is by organizing your team into groups within Zendesk. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, we'll start by accessing the Admin Center. The Admin Center is the heart of Zendesk, where you manage all configurations and settings. So make sure you're logged into your Zendesk account. Once you're in, look for the Admin Center icon. It's usually represented by a little gear or cog symbol in the left-hand navigation panel. Click on it and you'll be taken to the admin interface, which is where all the magic happens. With the Admin Center open, direct your attention to the options available. Here you'll find a selection called People. Clicking on People will lead you to different options related to managing your team's profiles, roles, and various settings. This is a crucial step because everything about team organization revolves around managing the people in your Zendesk environment. After clicking on People, you'll notice an option labeled Groups. Go ahead and click on this. Groups in Zendesk are simply a way to bundle team members who handle similar tasks or responsibilities. For instance, you could create groups for billing inquiries, tech support, or even different shifts. This level of organization can immensely benefit how your team operates, allowing you to distribute tickets efficiently and ensure that the right person gets the right task. Now, on the Groups page, you can see existing groups if you have any, or you can begin setting up new ones. To create a new group, look for an option that says Add Group, or perhaps a plus icon, which signifies adding something new. Click on that and a form will appear where you can name your group. Be thoughtful about your group names. They should clearly reflect the function or team associated with them, as this will make it easier for everyone in your organization to understand and use them effectively. Once you've named your group, it's time to add team members to it. Look into the interface where you can select agents. Depending on your team size, you might have a long list of agents, so use the search or filter options to find the right people quickly. Select the relevant agents you need to add to this group. Adding the right people to the correct groups streamlines ticket assignments and empowers team members to focus on their areas of expertise. After that, save your new group settings. You've now successfully organized your team into groups. Remember, you can always revisit and tweak your groups as your team and business needs evolve. This concludes our tutorial on using Zendesk groups to optimize your team's workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has provided you with a clearer understanding of organizing your team using Zendesk groups. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.